want to address some of the comments I've been getting about remote seduction because people have been asking whether it interferes with free will. But the truth is, influence is happening every single day. For instance, if you do your makeup, fix your hair, wear something sexy, flirt a little, hold eye contact, or know how to make yourself unforgettable, you're influencing somebody. You're affecting how they feel. That's not evil. That's attraction. That's human nature. Remote seduction is really just taking that same idea and using the mind more intentionally. Instead of relying only on physical presence, you're using focus, emotion, and imagery to create a spark of attraction. Where your focus goes, energy starts to build. What you feel gives it power, and the images you hold in your mind begin creating an experience the other person can actually feel. Because attraction doesn't begin only with what someone sees. It often begins as a feeling, long before it becomes a thought. Now, does that mean control? No, it doesn't mean you can force someone to do something against their will. It does mean you're influencing the connection in a more subtle way. You're making an impression. You're becoming more present in their awareness. And yes, that can absolutely affect their attraction to you. I think people are comfortable with influence when it looks physical and familiar, beauty, charm, body language, flirtation. But when it becomes more mental or intentional, suddenly people want to label it something dark. To me, it's the same principle. It's just less obvious. And no matter what, the other person still chooses how they respond. If you want to learn more about this, my book, How to Make Him Burn with Desire, walks you through remote seduction step by step. I'll see you in the next video.